Ha! Oh shit, as usual, come on, your body. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. Oh shit, come on, your body. Today we're gonna talk about two very important things. One, reality, issue when the say it on ground now. That one needs to be looked into, and that one concern Destiny Tiku and the Untouchable comedy.
Untouchable, you be my colleague, you be my colleague. We are not even that close. We are just colleagues. Why would you prank me without my notice? Like 2 times. I swear with my life, I'm giving you just 24 hours. Only but 24 hours. And bring down those videos. Or you pay for damages. Now at that point.
Yes, because Biggie, the ground, serious Biggie. The other one a phone, the other one you go laugh tire. Mr. Ibu no go fit change. Recently, now the matter we did between Mr. Ibu and Jasmine in daughter. You laugh tire, you like the gist. Alright, we'll go straight to the point. But before I go talk, make an advice every single girl out there. When you don't reach 35 years and somebody call you, maybe like a strange call, na guy, you don't know who he be before. Call you for phone. You call the ask him, say, bros, Alpha, I'll give you my number. My advice you get sense at the age of 35. Then at the point when you say you go entertain any call, even spiritual call, God's call, oracle call, you go answer all of them. Yes, you go answer all of them. You don't get sense. Your mama self you send your number without telling you because they want to make you marry. Come on your body, oh shit, get that advice. Not the ask person how you to get my number. Answer the call straight. Tell and say you know and since play the game. Play the game. You don't know whether that one are your luck or your future husband. We come on, buddy. Oh shit. Yes, now so the matter be. Alright, before we go to the real matter, I beg bros. Without your no survival, none of my Gary, I beg subscribe. Press the red button and then click the notification button so that when I drop new video, you'll get there. Yes, so now so the matter be. This morning I check my TikTok. I can't see one Destiny Tiku new video when she did a provoke for Untouchable. But what really surprised me for this whole thing now, I'm not saying making no provoke or drama doll. You get me? But the connection, the link with the in between you and Untouchable, as una fans steady watching now abroad, everywhere, it's tight past that one. I just feel saying that's something we're not too supposed to talk over. You and Untouchable, una they touch lives. People they watch you now. Una be role model. Now everybody talk different opinions. So it's not my own to bring their reactions and their opinions on screen here. But let me advise, mama, please, anything with the in between you and Untouchable, me not sort them out. Me not let bloggers come they talk plenty talk. Fine. Problem now be say they not tell you and they use you, they make money. Fine. You supposed to provoke, honestly, you supposed to provoke. But my own year now be say, I believe say anything we're supposed to do with them, supposed to be in the closed doors, as in behind the cameras. You understand? The second thing where they make you the provoke now be say they do the second prank video, they not tell you say a prank. It's painful. When I watch the video, I see where they carry new car, brand new cha-cha Jeep, packaging with blue and everything. As you catch the blue, bust the blue, they even give you the keys. It's funny, but me they come out joke. If not me, I not drop that motor. Anywhere where they won't carry the matter, go me the car go. I not drop the motor. But then I'm not here to raise any dust. What I'm saying is let peace reign. You understand? You they provoke, say they not deter you, that they take you unaware, and it took you time to build your name and your brand, not be Benz. I understand your plight. I beg. Just lock up. Forget. These two things where you mentioned, so you say either making come out all the videos when him take prank you where they do well because in the use and they make money, or make him pay you damage. All of us now vloggers, now through the media now we say they succeed. But I beg one thing. I beg. For now, I'm not to say you did wrong. For now, make una two talk and over. Make una two talk and over. And to you, Untouchable.
I've been really sick in the hospital, so I just came back today. Yeah, I don't know, my BP just they go up. I don't know what doctor they talk.
I go say sorry for your health. You say you just come from hospital for the past few days now. You're not there okay. So sorry. I hope say not be Destiny Tiku matter now they make you the. All right, Untouchable. I beg man, leave this word with you. Please don't make any trouble. The level one a day now no be wala matter. But if she said that you should take off the videos about the pranks that you did with her, please. I never tell you, say me, see, find way, settle with her. Me, I know they take sides, so, but find way, settle with her because she don't tell you now, say you go give her, you will pay damage or you take off those videos. But I feel she's still a friend. Both of them are friends, and you know, she be easy person too. Meanwhile, make her thank you for the good works wey they do. Recently I see the girl wey dey under depression have been a madness when you and your crew rescue. Na better work now you dey do. I must talk about it. Na man you be, you dey try. Please keep the good work on. And Destiny Tiku, I beg, like I said before, I beg make una to talk this matter off. And so the matter be, I beg, me una talk am over. Oshé, come on your body. Who be that man there where you say you never press the red notification button and the subscribe button? Why you do like that? Now share the video. Share the video. Come on your body. Oh shit. Alright, let's go to this next one. Mr. Ibu na Mr. Ibu, you know if it change. I dey check my Instagram page. Now I see the one recent post when Jasmine Okafor, that is Mr. Ibu's daughter, do. Very funny post to see. Ma show na the post. Now the post with this.
Guys, I was on my own. Oh. It was even raining. It was drizzling. So I came out of the house. I saw that he's sitting outside. He said, this outfit you're wearing is fine. Let me take you a picture. I laughed because the first time that he took me a picture, it wasn't funny. I said, okay. I thought you were If I ever allowed daddy to slap me again, let me bend. Let me bend like crayfish. If I let me be like cockroach, will never, ever. Apparently, these were meant to be my pictures after all the posing, after everything. Daddy was using front camera to snap me. He was using front camera to snap me. This is supposed to be me, guys.
Hey, Mr. Ibu, you know be stop. One Hollywood actor, one Hollywood comedian will be say, I know say go still trend before I go die. Now, Mr. Ibu. When I know say go fit trend before I go die. Now, Mr. Ibu. So all this one way to do since it is snap yourself, and your daughter see me snap you. Call it snap yourself. Hey, wahala, Mr. Ibu, I cut for you. Every day in your life is the business of joy. Come on, body. Oh shit. You know, come on your body for Mr. Ibu. Nasian, na check. Alright, now the story better, pass like that. Please, bro, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon for more videos like this. Oh shit, I sign off.